Today on my adventures, we go to Racetrack Playa, Artist Palette, and Ubi Hibi Crater. Tea Kettle Junction. Who started the tradition and why does it endure? No one knows. With ice melt and high winds, these rocks can move, sometimes in unison, leaving a nice trail, great for photography, and it also helps that the playa is on a slight incline.
And that one's centered on the grandstand, and then the Milky Way, like right over the grandstand. So that's my idea, is to actually get the Milky Way coming over the grandstand.
Finally made it to the racetrack and just kind of scouting out the area here at the grandstand. I don't know if you can see that behind me, that rock cropping. And we're just going to search for some of these rocks with some trailings behind them, so we can photograph them with the Milky Way, which should be arcing across over the mountains here about 1 a.m. That's when it'll start to show itself, and of course reveal itself a little more as the time passes throughout the night. The photographer we ran into actually spotted this shot, and I was the only one who had to have the correct lens on, my 70-200 at 200 millimeters. And luckily I snapped this shot real quick, and literally it was gone about 5 seconds later. So before we shoot the Milky Way, we're going to shoot some star trails. So I'm just trying to find some more of these rocks. So I'm just making my way out here again. I've got to be a mile in here now. I can't find a freaking thing. I can't find my friend either. Alright, just had some dinner here, and now we're making our way to the other side of the racetrack to shoot some Milky Way, and hopefully, or maybe we'll run into this person we met earlier. here in Artist Drive. It's about 8 miles from the Oasis Resort in Death Valley here. Just gonna try to pick out some different textures and colors, which is what I really love about this place and what this place is all about. Got my 70 to 200, just gonna kind of focus in on things a little bit. Here at the Devil's Cornfield, trying to find a nice composition. It's kind of difficult. A lot of these plants are growing on top of each other. The sand just keeps building up and they grow on top of each other and just kind of stack up. It's really interesting actually, but it's kind of hard to find a composition. Alright, we're done here at the Devil's Cornfield. We are leaving Death Valley because there's a lot of cloud coverage. We were trying to shoot the mesquite sand dunes, but clouds kind of destroyed it for us. So we're going to Big Dune, maybe about an hour and a half away from here, and try it there. Okay, made it to Big Dune, and I found my composition with this little piece of desert shrubbery here, and I love the ripples of the sand and how they'll look with light painting them a little bit. And in the background we have Las Vegas. So after I get this shot, I think I'll probably head home to Vegas and warm up a little bit and work on these images for you guys. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up so you can join me next time. Bye.